Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. So for today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how I do my eyeliner. I'm going to explain, I use two different eyeliners, so one on this side and one on this side, and I mean it looks kind of different, which is kind of the point. It depends. I use these eyeliners for different type of wing, I guess, that I want. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys the option to see whether you want to get something a little thicker, something a little thinner. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my e.l.f. Intense Ink Eyeliner in Blackest Black. I'm going to start out from the inner corner and then work my way out to the outer corner, but you can start out in the outer corner if you so desire. I definitely recommend this eyeliner for beginners because it's very thick and it's easier to grip. And it's kind of like a marker, so it's easier to make the lines that you want. And like I said, you should start out kind of thin. That way, if you want it to be thicker, then you could just add more. But if you start out thick and you realize that that's not what you want, then it's harder for you to take off. But once you start making the wing, try to make the little triangle start halfway through where that line is that you made. That way, like I said, it doesn't look super thick. But for the bottom part of the wing, it's not that hard to clean that up because you could just take a flat brush, and then I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear paint pot in Painterly to just clean it up a little bit and make it look a little more sharp. But that's just my preference. If you like the way it looks, then you don't have to do this step. It's mostly just to help you clean up any mistakes that you made. Okay, so for this eye, I'm going to be using the N.Y.C liquid eyeliner. Practice makes perfect when it comes to liquid eyeliner. It's just really hard to do a winged eyeliner with liquid eyeliner. It's easier to start off with the e.l.f. one that I used on my right eye. But like I said, practice makes perfect, so just practice, practice, practice. And I find that with this one, honestly, it's easier for me to make a thinner eyeliner and a more sharp wing, which is what I prefer. So I'm starting to use more of the liquid eyeliner or even the gel eyeliner with the right kind of brush rather than the intense ink eyeliner. But it's just your preference, whatever you make or whatever is easiest for you. But I would recommend to use the other one first and then to try this one. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and please share the video. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!